Welcome to my channel Book Studio. System first. Let your future run itself. Build the engine before you hit the gas. Prologue. The problem with always starting over. Every day, you wake up and start from scratch. What should I do today? Where did I leave off? Why does everything feel so reactive? This is the trap of an unstructured life. No system equals endless effort. But imagine if your future could run itself not by luck, but by design. That begins with one mindset. System first. Chapter 1. Stop managing chaos, start building control. We don't rise to the level of motivation. We fall to the level of systems. If your life has no structure, it will always feel like a sprint. If your goals have no process, they'll stay dreams. Electric light bulb. The smartest creators, leaders, and builders all share one trait. They build systems before they chase results. Key idea. Don't fix problems daily. Build systems that remove them permanently. Chapter 2. What is a system, really? A system is anything that runs without thinking, repeats without drama, protects you from burnout, makes excellence automatic. It can be a content calendar, a morning routine, a financial rule, a sales funnel, a meal prep habit, a one-click template. A system is effort with memory. Key idea. A system is structure that saves you from restarting. Chapter 3. Why most people fail without knowing it. They're talented. They work hard. But their effort evaporates daily. Why? Because they rely on willpower, emotion, momentum, hustle. That works until it doesn't. Then it all crashes. Police cars revolving light. No system equals no sustainability. Key idea. If it depends on how you feel, it will eventually fail. If it depends on a system, it will eventually scale. Chapter 4. Systems build freedom, not rules. Most people fear systems because they think it means less freedom. But the opposite is true. Systems give you time back. They reduce stress. They create mental space for deep work and creative flow. Pushpin. Freedom isn't doing whatever you want. Freedom is not being trapped by what you didn't plan. Key idea. Structure doesn't restrict freedom, it protects it. Chapter 5. System first, success second. Don't chase outcomes. Chase operations. Ask. What can I automate? What can I delegate? What can I pre-decide? What can I template forever? Bullseye. The goal is not to work more. The goal is to build once, then let it work for you. Key idea. Success is what happens when systems do the heavy lifting. Chapter 6. Build once, reap always. The beauty of a system is this. You do the thinking once, and it pays off daily. One good hiring system equals a strong team for years. One strong content workflow equals hundreds of videos. One great budgeting rule equals lifetime wealth. Electric light bulb. You don't need more energy. You need a better engine. Key idea. Build once. Let it echo forever. Chapter 7. Your future shouldn't depend on your mood. Life will get chaotic. Your mood will swing. Emergencies will come. But if you have the right systems, your money still gets saved. Message still gets published. Goals still move forward. Because you already built the tracks. System first means your future doesn't break when your feelings do. Key idea. Don't build around energy. Build around execution. Chapter 8. Real life system wins. Here are just a few ways systems change everything. Fitness. Workout templates plus scheduled days equals no excuses. Content creation. Batch filming plus scripts equals weekly uploads without stress. Time management. Calendar blocks equals clarity, not chaos. Money. Autosaves plus budgets equals no guilt, no guesswork. These aren't hacks. They're leverage. Key idea. The more systems you build, the less willpower you need. Conclusion. Let your future run itself. Stop chasing more hours. Stop depending on how you feel. Stop living in reactive mode. Start thinking. What can I build today? So tomorrow doesn't need me to remember, decide, or struggle. System first isn't just a productivity method. It's a way of life. Because once the system is in place, your future runs itself. White heavy check mark. Key takeaways recap. Effort dies daily. Systems multiply daily. Systems aren't rigid, they're freedom tools. A system equals effort with memory. Don't rely on willpower. Rely on automation. Build now. Reap later. Let your future run on rails. The end.